Good morning, children. Today I'll be doing lesson number 8 for 4th standard children. The topic is food and health. So in this lesson you will be studying what is a balanced diet, how do you classify different nutrients that is essential for your body, how do you preserve the practice of preserving the food, practice the methods of preserving the food materials, and discuss different food items of animals and birds and how they adapt to finding their food accordingly in nature. So basically, first one, I'll just read out the lesson to you. On the way I'll keep explaining the points to you. Okay, it was Deepa's birthday. She likes carrot halwa very much. Her mother had prepared carrot halwa for her birthday, so she ate well and slept well. She had a dream after that. What did she dream of? She dreamt of a carrot. The carrot is talking to Deepa in the dream. Deepa, I am a carrot. You had enough of my halwa. Now let me know what you eat regularly. Deepa says, I eat, well, different food items every day. I know how important food items are. Carrot, all right. Make a list of all the food items that you know and eat. So children, that's an activity for you on page number 62. What food items you like to eat and what food you like to have, and you know what you know about and what you like to have. So that you have to do that activity on page number 62. Classify the food items from your list and write them in the space given below. Now, energy giving foods. This action is energy, the foods that give you energy. So Miss has written this, the foods that give you energy. Which food gives us energy? So I have written few names out here. In case you know of any more names, you can find out, you can discuss with your elders, your friends or your elder siblings and write any other names that give us food items that give us energy. So here I have just written rice, pulses, potatoes, oil, ghee, etc. These items, when you eat these items, you get energy. Fine. So everybody knows when you eat rice and all that, you get energy. After that, you become energetic. You can jump, you can play, you feel like just running and exercising that energy. So these food items give you a lot of energy. Rice, pulses, potatoes, oil, ghee. I just named a few, but there are many more than this. Your second question is, which items help you to grow? Which items help you to grow, to become tall? So items which help you to grow: almonds, dry fruits, meat, yogurt, milk, etc. Children, I am just naming few. There are actually many more which you can find out many more, but this is just to name some few. The food items that help you to grow: almonds, meat, yogurt, milk, etc. Then the next, which food items gives protection to your body? Like which food items keeps away diseases? They help to protect the body. They are fruits, vegetables, milk, fatty fish, etc. So when you eat fruits, vegetables, milk, fatty foods, etc., they protect the body. They protect your body. Now, what do you know what are nutrients, children? Nutrients are certain kind of products that are found in the food items. These nutrients, when they are absorbed by your body, they give us energy to move around, they help you grow, they protect you from diseases. So what are the nutrients that give energy? So there are 5 main nutrients that are present in food items that give us energy. First is carbohydrates, that is what we learned here, rice, potato or stuff like that. Then you get proteins. Protein you get in eggs, meat, milk, you get proteins in that. Then you come to lipids or fat. Children, lipids or fat is nothing but ghee, butter, milk, fatty, all fatty items. Mineral salts is nothing but the salts that are found in the body. They are found in these food items that are consumed by us. And vitamins. Vitamins are another very important feature that is found in food items that is required necessarily for the body. So over here, Mrs. again, the same thing again is repeated here, but with the different forms. Here I have given the names of the names of the nutrients. So name a few carbohydrates. So the same thing is repeated here again. Rice, corn, potatoes, sugar and honey. So this is the carbohydrates that is required by our body. Then again, name few proteins. Dal, beans, groundnuts, eggs and dates. These are proteins. When you eat these type of items, you get all these nutrients in your body. Then the seventh answer is name some fats. In fats, you can take ghee, groundnut oil, meat, butter, yogurt, all milky products. You get a lot of fat from milky products. Then again, eighth question. Name 4 vitamins and where they are found. Now children, based on these 4 vitamins, there is on page number 67. I want you all to look at this full chart on page number 67 and you have to write it under answer number 8. Name 4 vitamins and where they are found. I want you all children to memorize this full chart properly. You have vitamin A, vitamin B, C and D, where in what food products they are found and what are their uses. This whole chart has to be memorized very nicely and I want you all to write it in your classwork note. Now I have given you 8 question answers here which has to be written on your classwork note. You can start with this all food which gives us energy. Then we go to the same type nutrients. I just named the nutrients. The same thing is repeated there. The main important portion in this lesson is the name of 4 vitamins A, B, C and D and where they are found. So this chart has to be written in your classwork note. I'll just read it over with you all. Now vitamin A is found in green and yellow vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables, carrot, butter, ghee, milk and all. Vitamin A. What is the use of vitamin A? If you eat a lot of these green and yellow vegetables, you will have good eyesight, your skin and teeth will remain healthy. So these vitamins are good for your skin, eyesight and teeth. Now when you come to vitamin B, you have wheat, ragi, black grams, greens and germinated grains. So when you eat vitamin B children, it protects the skin once again, the heart and your digestive system. It protects these 3 things, the skin, heart and the digestive system. Now you come to vitamin C. Children, everybody knows vitamin C is present in lime. It's present in oranges. These are all vitamin C fruits. Orange, lemon, tomato, raw vegetables, gooseberry, anything that is sour. Anything that gives you a tinge, a sourness tinge, that has vitamin C. What does it do children? It protects the teeth and the gums of your mouth. Now vitamin D. Vitamin D is found in cod liver oil. Vitamin D is found in the sun rays and that is the most important thing. It's found in sun rays. So always you should be exposed to the sun. You get vitamin D from the sun. It protects your teeth and your bones. So this food list along with the uses children, I want you to write it down for question number 8 and do that. And I will just continue in the next class with we'll go on to the further diseases caused due to deficiency. At present, just write this 8 question answers in your classwork note. This is for lesson number 8, food and health. And this chart, I want you to write it. The whole chart has to be written for the question number 8. Fine children, I have given you the page number here. The full chart and vitamins has to be written there for question number 8. You have to memorize this. Take a picture and send it to Rohana ma'am in my WhatsApp number and I'll get back to you with if you have any doubts you can even ask me, but till then only this much. Thank you children.